In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with Zapier from form submissions or new Google Sheets rows. By the end, you'll have an automation that instantly emails someone when a new event happens, like a form response or a new row in a spreadsheet. Let's start by creating the workflow. Head to Zapier.com and log in. From your dashboard, choose Create and then Zap. A zap is simply a trigger followed by one or more actions, so we'll set the trigger first. Choose the app that starts the process. If you're collecting responses, you might pick Google Forms. If you're tracking data in a spreadsheet, choose Google Sheets, then select the trigger event. For forms, that's New Form Response. For sheets, choose New Spreadsheet Row, click Continue, connect your account, and follow any on-screen prompts to grant access. Next, run Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in sample data so you can see the fields available. This is important because the email address you plan to message must be present in that data. If there isn't an email field, the automation won't be able to send to anyone, so make sure your form or sheet includes a column for email. Now add the action that sends the message. Click Add Action. Search for Gmail, or choose Email by Zapier, and select Send Email. Click Continue, and connect your email account. You may be asked to approve permissions so Zapier can send on your behalf. That's normal. Configure your message carefully. In the To field, map the email address from the trigger data. This is what makes each message go to the right person. Add a clear subject line, and then write the body of your email. You can personalize it by inserting fields from the trigger, like a name or other answers, to make the message feel tailored. Keep the tone consistent with your brand, and consider including helpful context so recipients know why they're receiving the email. When the email looks good, click Continue and use Test Step to send a real test to the mapped address. Check your inbox to confirm formatting, links, and dynamic fields all look correct. If anything's off, adjust the mapping or copy, and run the test again. When you're satisfied, publish the automation to turn it on. From now on, every new form response or new spreadsheet row that includes an email address will trigger your message automatically. That's it. Your Zap is live and saving you time.